Attorney General Paul Kihara and Solicitor-General Kennedy Ogeto have 7 days to explain why they should not be kicked out of the Law Society of Kenya. The two have been accused of blocking the appointment of 41 judges who had been shortlisted by the Judicial Service Commission in what the LSK now says amounts to a gross violation of the Constitution. But as NTV's Silas Apollo reports, the decision by the LSK may prove to be an uphill task, as it may require more than just votes from members to be ratified.
For close to a week, the judiciary and the executive have been at war, one involving what the judiciary says is the inability of the executive to uphold the rule of law, obey court orders and appoint judges to courts. And now the LSK has been sucked into that war, threatening to take disciplinary action against the Attorney General Paul Kihara and Solicitor-General Kennedy Ogeto, who it says are the agitators of the wrangles.
Oh, are we on air?
LSK is accusing the two of failing to advise President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint 41 judges who were interviewed and shortlisted by the Judicial Service Commission sometime last year to the bench.
The President of the Republic of Kenya has refused to swear in these judges, notwithstanding his obligation under the Constitution to do that, and notwithstanding a directive by the court made on the 6th of February 2020.
LSK says the two senior-most legal advisors to the president have violated close to 31 statutes which they swore to protect, including a promise to protect the independence of the judiciary and live up to the vows they took while assuming the responsibility of advocates.
The state in which we are in now indicates, without any fear of contradiction, those in office have decided that laws and court orders will only be for the obedience of the people and for the disobedience of those in power. That is an invitation to anarchy.
Kihara and Ogeto have also been accused of failing to include and gazette lawyers as essential workers during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Our two members have refused to listen to us. They have refused to abide by valid court orders, essentially orders made by elders. Now we're giving them an opportunity that's not even given in the book of Matthew. We're going to try them. And if the members decide that they should be expelled, we'll leave them to the world.
But even as the LSK ponders on how best to punish the two, some are throwing in a word of caution.
LSK has a role to play in trying to make state officers accountable in general, as well as state officers who are members of the Law Society of Kenya. So the right balance to be reached may have to be determined on a case-by-case basis.
Both Kihara and Ogeto have until June 22nd to give their responses to the LSK ahead of a members' annual general meeting on July 23rd. Silas Apollo, NTV.